So before we start, we are going to make sure that we log into our Google account. And by doing this, go to Google or Google Docs, hit sign in, and then put in your email address and your password, hit sign in. And then you'll see a picture of yourself or your name up here, and then you'll know that you're in. Next, we're going to go to my website, and to get to my website, you can start at the school's website, which is mursd.org. Then go to Nipmuc Home, then down to Teacher Web Pages, scroll down to Science, Ms. Waterman, and that'll open up my website. Once you're here, you are always going to go to either Earth Science Updates or to the calendar. So we're going to go to Earth Science Updates, and we're going to see our latest homework, which is the homework that's due on the 20th. Now, directions. To make a copy of this assignment and call it block first name last name 1.1 and share it with me at forcemathsacceleration@gmail.com. Easiest thing to do here would be to right click and copy and then paste it in. In your own words, complete the sentences, answer all the following questions. You may use limited direct quotes in quotation marks. Your work should be your own words and not copy and paste it from the text or from another student. Next, I'm going to go to question link and open up. That's going to open up this document. And what this is now the document that I have shared with you. You'll see your name up here in the corner, and you'll see Habitable Planet Reading Assignment. And you're going to go to File, and then you're going to say Make a Copy. Now, this is where you'd want to edit it. So, Copy Document, I'm going to rename this. So, let's say I was in A block, and Heather Waterman, and reading 1.1. And I would say, then I'd click OK. And then the document now is mine. But I want to share this. So I'm going to copy the email address here. Okay, highlight and copy. Control C or right click and copy. And then I'm going to go up here to the share button. So the default is that it's going to be private. Now I'm going to share it. You would see your picture here. I'm going to share it with myself. And then can edit. You want to leave this on can edit because that's going to allow me to open up the document and make sure that I can change something if need be. Also, you want to have this checked off saying notify new people via email. This is going to let me know that I have access to it. If you have a support class, this would be also where you would type in your support teacher's email address, and I'll be sharing that with you as well. Say share and save. And you know you're successful when my picture shows up, and then hit done. Now this copy is shared with me, and I will then go in and answer the questions. So using the information from the reading, the packet that I gave you in class, or you can actually access the document here by clicking on this and opening it up. This will then give you another access to the Habitable Planet. And you can have the reading here. So I would have both open, one in a tab, so you can continue to work. Then just type your answers right in the document. So when did simple organisms appear on the earth? Simple organism appeared on earth 3.8 billion years ago. Oh, look, I spelled something wrong. I can right click on this. It'll spell it for me, period. So the answer is there. Now the nice thing about this is that when you share it with me, then I will also have the ability to comment. And what you'll see here is the comments. And so then I can go in as a teacher and comment to you, nice job, you have the right date. And then it would pop up next time you open the document, you would see this from here, from me. So that's it. That's how you share. Now the nice thing about this is you don't have to worry about saving it because it's in Google Docs, which means that wherever you have internet access, you're going to be able to have access to your file. And if you share it with me, I will have access with it too.